First, so we will be writing three sections for this code for this assignment. First is phone record class, second is phone book class, and third is the main function from where we will create object of phone book and phone record class. So we will have in phone record class, this is the basic record that we want to write on the file. It means each object of this phone record class will be written in the file. So when we are saying each record of the phone record class, each object of the phone record class will be written to the file, it means that the object of the phone record class should have same size. All the objects that we will create of phone record class should have same size, so that we can ensure that same size record will be written into the file, and that will make our file a random access file, right? And we have to make sure that the record should be written into the binary format, so that we can make sure that record has fixed length. So in this phone record class, we will have one character array name, we will have one character array number, and we will have getter setter functions for both the variables. Why we are asking for character array for the name and number? Because we want to make sure that each record, each name and each number should have same size. So size we will limit. We will see here how we will limit the size in setter functions. Apart of that, we will be having one phone book class that will have create record, display record, search record, and update record functions. And those functions will be called from main, and main will have in general switch case. So main will have switch case, and based on the choice, user's choice, these four functions will get called in the phone book class, and there we will create object of phone record. So phone record class object is the basic entity of fixed size that we are going to write on the file, right? And main function will interact, user will definitely interact with the main function. Will choose one switch case. Based on the case, we will be calling these functions, and in main function we will be creating object of phone book class first. So let's start with the phone record class.